Hey guys, welcome back. Let's see the next set of the computer MCQs. We will discuss a few more MCQs in this session, and these MCQs are in general for every government examination. So let's see the first question, which is not a type. So you can think what are the different types of RAM types and which is not a RAM type. So the right answer here is EPRAM, because DRAM means dynamic RAM, SRAM means synchronous RAM. Okay, so we don't have something called EPRAM. So EPRAM is a right answer. It's not a RAM type. We have EPROM, but we don't have EPRAM. Next question. RAM is always located on the motherboard. If you manually want to install the RAM, then the first step is, so is it like not install it yourself, or is it unplug the cables, shut down the computer, both B and C, and none? So we first unplug the cables and then we shut down the computer, okay? And then we can install it. So the initial steps would be B and C. So it should be both B and C. Okay. So the third question, when you change the color and background of a chart in a spreadsheet, what are you doing? So is it called formatting? Is it called merging? Is it called painting? Is it called calculating? So it's a very simple answer. It is formatting. So changing the font, changing the color, changing the background, okay, renaming, okay, setting the font height, setting the font style. So all these come under formatting. The next question, what is the name of the informational video series released in the Health Ministry's social media platforms? So is it COVID Warrior, COVID Gurukul, COVID Rona, COVID Astra? So the answer is COVID Gurukul. So the Health Ministry launched COVID Gurukul, which is an informative video series on its social media platforms. It is aimed at disseminating authentic information on COVID-19 pandemic and its vaccination program. There are many leading public health experts, policymakers, doctors, scientists, and health professionals who participate in the series and will help the sensitization of people towards COVID appropriate behavior and bust the myths around the vaccines. The next question, e-governance is improving the way the government functions, making employees aware of the basics of computing, delivering public services by means of internet, then framing the laws by the government for online interactions. So what is the e-governance according to you? So is it improving the way the government functions? No. Making employees aware of basics of computing? No. That should be computer education. The right answer is delivering the public services by means of internet. Okay. So whatever governance, wherever it is possible, we can make use of the internet to deliver the public services. Public can make use of the computers and internet for any government work, to fill the forms, to download, okay, to register, and to lodge any complaint or grievance. Everything should be made online. So this is a part of e-governance. So the right answer is C. Makers are GPS to store geographical information, to use geographical information, to view geographical information, to store, use, and view geographical information. So the right answer is store, use, and view geographical information. So the next question, from what has the term IMAX been derived? Is it worldwide interoperability for microwave access, world interconnection for microwave access, worldwide interchangeability for microwave access, or worldwide interconnection for multiple access? So the right answer is worldwide interoperability for microwave access. Next question. Superscript, subscript, outline, emboss, engrave, all these are collectively known as font styles, font effects, word art, text effect. So the right answer is font effects. So all these are the different font effects. The font effects are an extension to the CSS and RCSS for applying the effects such as outlining or shadowing to the text. Similar to the decorators, font effects are declared and named in a style sheet like a property and configured with font effect specific properties. The next question, a system bus runs at 100 MHz megahertz, transports data between CPU and memory, uses a set of serial electrical paths. It is always the same size. Which of these are true? So what the system bus do? It can run at different rates. So the first option is wrong. And the second option transports data between CPU and memory. So this is what a system bus does. It transports the data between the CPU and memory. The next question, how can you manually break the line breakup in MS Word? See the options. So the answer is option D, Shift plus Enter. Then to split a table in MS Word, which shortcut key is used? See the options. So it's a very popular one. The right answer is Control Shift Enter. That is option C. The next question. What is the portrait and landscape are called in MS Word? So is it page size, page layout, page orientation, all of these? So when you take a print, you select these options, portrait and landscape. So what are these? These are the different page orientations. The next question, the shortcut keys Control Shift plus sign are used for character formatting of the following: underline words, not spaces, superscript, case of letters, all capital letters. The shortcut keys Control Shift plus are used for character formatting of the following: underline words, not spaces, superscript, case of letters, all capital letters, none. The options. So it is used in case of superscript. The next question, barcode symbols are ready by the barcode reader by using what? Is it photoelectric scanner, printer, keyboard, mouse? So it is photoelectric scanner. The next question, which is not a type of operating system, real value, distributes, network, time sharing operating system. So it should be distributed. I mean, the spelling is wrong. I'll make it distributed. Network operating system, time sharing operating system. So which of these is not an operating system? So we don't have something called real value operating system. The next question, which is not work device, switch, hub, star, router, None, which is not a network device. So, do we have switch? Yes. Do we have hub? Yes. Do we have router? Yes. Do we have star? Something called star in network? No. We have a design topology that is star topology, but there is no device called star. So the right answer is star. It is not a network device. The next question: which network security feature prevents users on a network from using program and information that is unauthorized? So which network security feature prevents users on a network from using program and information that is unauthorized? It is firewall. So antivirus is usually used for fighting against virus. Jammer is used for jamming the telephone calls, but a firewall is used for preventing usage of unauthorized. In MS Word, you can detect spelling and grammar errors by pressing the keys. Which of the keys we use? So it is F7.